So, surprises and surprises. Here we were on the California Zephyr, and at one of the stops, turned around. Here's Gwen, who was on um, our trip in 2013, and she was working our sleeping car then, and it was just great to see her again. So she was on this trip to Chicago, and now from Chicago to DC, she's in her civilian outfit and going back home. And it was just great to see her. She was a great comfort to us the first trip, and loved seeing her again. So we're close to DC now, and we'll be staying there for a couple of weeks. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, Glenn.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure. You take care of each other, okay?
Yeah.
God bless you.